Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the result. Now I was under my dryer, so I'm just gonna take these rollers out. Okay, so I hope they're dry. You know what, I hope it is dried. Okay, so let me take this out. I actually didn't dry it all the way under the dryer because I just don't like when there's too much heat on my hair, especially if I'm going to be apply like maybe blow dryer, the hand dryer, or flat iron my hair. So I don't really like drying it fully. I just let it naturally dries, you know. But yes, let's see. Like sometimes my hair comes out so perfectly nice. Can you guys see properly? Ooh, I'm probably going to be trimming and so on my hair, but that part I'm just going to do that for another video because I do not want this to be a long video. Okay, so the trimming part and all that will be another video. Like, you know what, like what actually is like so frustrating too sometimes, like, you know, after you get like that length of your hair and stuff like that, and when you, oh my goodness, is this a muscle? What is, look at the biceps, girl. What? That's all that spinach I'm eating, you know. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. But you know, after you reach, you know, a certain length in your hair, after you coming from so long, because trust me, growing your hair is actually a process, you get me, to actually grow your hair the healthy way, you know. And then you see some growth, and then you start seeing split ends, because you know, if your hair has split ends, don't even try, like just clip it off. But it pains my heart, and I know I'm not the only one, okay? It pains my heart so much to have to clip those ends off. And then when you look on the before to the after, how the length, you know, reduction is just like major and stuff, you're like, oh my goodness, after trying for so long and my hair is this length and then I have to cut it off. And sometimes, you know, you say you go to the salon and you tell them you want a clip, and then it end up being a whole cut. But I mean, I don't know, like it's just like every time you get that length, you just have to snip snip. But I'm probably gonna have to be snipping. But I hope it's not gonna be a lot of snip. All right, so not gonna talk too much on that because that's gonna be another video. We are done with the rollers, honeys. Yes, so this is the hair. Let me turn around. So you see what I say when in my first video, and I said that I like putting my hair in rollers because it definitely gives your hair more body, you know, than you blowing out your hair with a blow dryer, a hand dryer, whatever. But no, my hair has so much body. So now let's get to work. See, I probably wouldn't have to do much to it, but just leave it like this, right? Hey. Hey. Okay guys, we are here. The lighting, let me see. Is that better? Yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Chi thermal heat spray and apply this on my hair. Just a few pumps. Okay, I don't want to sweat on my edges or my roots because this was hard to come by. So I'm going to turn on the EC. I'm coming. It was getting a little bit too hot. Whew, I tell you, man, these dryers and things make you really sweat. I'm gonna comb it out a bit. This is what it's looking like. You see all these? Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna put on a little of this argan oil. Right? I'm gonna put a little bit on my hair. This helps to make my hair stronger and healthy, and also nourishes my scalp. So I use a lot of argan oil products in my hair. Okay, so whew. This is what it's looking like, as you can see. Okay, but I'm definitely going to be clipping the ends. All right, and this is the back. Definitely need a trim. I definitely do, right? But that's the back. All right, see the ends definitely need a trim, right? This is how the root is looking, right? A little, I need to get that straight with a flat iron and stuff, but as I say, I'm not applying flat iron right now because this is just, that's going to be done right after the cut. Okay, so your girl still can do a little soup for you guys. All right, so I'm not gonna close this video just with my hair looking crazy like that. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little soup to the side. All right, as you can see, the soup is there. I'm done playing with this here because we have to go to step 3. All right. If you guys like this video or you like the result, listen, you can't watch this video and didn't watch the previous video, okay, on how I /perm my hair. All right, so you guys gotta watch that and then you come to this, okay? We don't do it backwards, all right? But okay, yes guys, so please don't just watch the video and not subscribing to your girl's channel. Please remember, help to bring Miss Kimmy K to 50K. Bring Miss Kimmy K to 50K. What we say, Ethan? Bring Miss Kimmy K to 50. Bring Miss Kimmy K to 50K. Share this channel, like this video, bring your girls to 50K. Share this channel with your friends and your family, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one, which is on Saturday. So yes guys, bye.